Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening home screen settings so changes apply system-wide. Long press an empty area on your home screen, then tap Home Screen Settings. This jumps you right into launcher options. Once there, find the app drawer toggle and enable it to switch from All Apps on Home to a drawer layout. Make sure you allow the launcher to refresh, otherwise icons may not move. This step ensures your apps are organized separately from widgets, which simplifies. Now you fine-tune how the drawer behaves and looks. Tap App Drawer Settings to pick Swipe Up versus a dock icon. Swipe up is faster for one-hand use. Then change grid and icon size to fit more apps per page, and pick alphabetical or custom sorting so you find apps quickly. Use Hide Apps to keep private apps out of sight, and create folders inside the drawer for related apps. Once done, preview by opening the drawer and checking spacing and order. To finish, apply your settings and test by opening the app drawer and swiping through pages. If icons aren't where you expect, restart the launcher by force-stopping it in Apps or reboot the phone. This forces a refresh. Make sure to back up any custom layout if you rely on lots of folders, then verify gestures still work. Troubleshooting tip: if the drawer won't persist, clear the launcher cache or check for Realme UI updates. This resolves most stubborn behavior without erasing your apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.